All right, jumping on the front of this 2013 Mini, we're gonna get this engine running better again. So we're gonna place the spark plugs and the coils. Now, if you look on modern engines, right, they're trying to get rid of that spark plug wire. It's trying to get the coil as close to the actual spark plug as you can get. And this doesn't get any closer. It's actually made it together. That's about as good as you're gonna get. So before we drop the spark plugs in there, we're gonna gap them. Now, Carlyle's been a great help on this project. They're really jumping on board, providing a lot of tools. This is a real simple one, so we got a lot of specialty tools here. This is checking your gap. Most of the time, they're gonna come pre-gapped, but it never hurts to double check, especially if it gets bumped, tapped, or dropped. So we'll take our little wire here, we'll find the right diameter, and you just want it to sneak in there. Just a little snug fit, we know it's good. We're gonna get this engine running smooth again, so we're gonna place the spark plugs and the coils. So from Federated, we got NGK for both. This thing's gonna be running like a top here in just a minute.
Okay. You know, a lot of times when you're trying to get through the oil filter, it's kind of in a tough spot. Luckily, we got hooked up with Carlyle, and they gave us this little multi-purpose oil filter tool that can really get in tough spots and help out with that. You just throw it around the filter, get a little bite on it. Little clicks will eat it up and get it to where you get your hand on it.